Welcome back to the channel. Happy 2023, happy new year, happy holidays, all the good stuff. Today I'm cleaning my car and I got something cool to show you because I got some cool stuff for Christmas. So I'm gonna be like a little kid doing show and tell. Like, it's gonna be fun. So I also got this Salty Captain. You can see the light. Salty Captain foam wash, I think. So we're gonna do this first. This is pretty cool. Come here.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence, but I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus.
So in the box came this Salty Captain special. So, hose nozzle, another hose nozzle, more hose nozzles, some O-rings, the container, that handle. So this goes yeah. Clean, mate. I'll get about it. First impressions on the Salty Captain is amazing. This thing is freaking awesome. I kind of wish it was a bit more foamier, just to stick to the car a bit more. It does fall off pretty quickly or pretty easily, but that might be fixed with just using a bit more. There is buttloads in this, and you could probably use anything, to be honest. You don't have to use their products, so sick. Okay, time to remove some tint. I've got a heat gun. I've also got some razor blades, but I'm going to try and heat gun first and try and pull it off in one piece. Let's see what happens, huh? So if you'd been watching from the start, you would have known I put in this Silent Guard sound deadener, which is actually thicker than Dynamite, which is pretty cool, but I'm only putting this in. I put it in the whole floor, which is pretty cool. I did a dry ice video as well. Yeah, so now I'm putting it in the doors. It is in. Now I don't have the roller, so I'm just gonna gently massage it in with a soft face hammer, and that's it. Man, check this out, ready? That is wild. I'm just gonna point this out. Check this out. Listen to this, right? Hang on. Listen to this. Sounds like shit, right? Check this out. Sound deadening. Oh. Alright, so all the tint is now removed. I guess it's shopping time. Go and find some tint. So Super Cheap Auto with the goods. I've got two different tints because the drivers and the rest. Driver's side can only be a certain tint. A film application kit because God help me. I got an hour before I'm going out, so I'm just going to quickly try and maybe do like the little windows, see how good I do a job, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Fun. This is what we test. Oh, I suck. I fucking suck. I can't tint windows. Fuck. What am I gonna do?